What is up guys, AJ Expert here, bringing you my first ever Black Ops 3 video. If you guys do enjoy, please leave a like and hit the subscribe button, it's free, and I'll see you. Alright guys, let's get into this game. So I'm gonna go my best class, the Pharaoh. I've got this really cool camo, and let's see if we can get some kills. The wall run. Oh, I see him! Get him. Oh my god, my aim. We gotta get him. I'm not letting you out. Get back here now. Get back here. Yes. Where the hell is everybody gone? Oh, there's a guy there. You're not taking C. No. Ha ha ha. Where is everyone? Should I try and take B? No. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Oh no, I'm dead. Damn it. Semtex, slow! It's like, nah, it's not gonna get anyone. I don't know why, but I always come in the barn, because, like, in other games, there's usually people there. Let's get C. Oh, no, never mind. Let's go, come on! Oh my god, my aim in this game. I gotta get him now. Whoa! Ha ha ha! I'm blue, dabba dee dabba da, dabba dee dabba. Who's gonna be in here? Who's gonna be? Ooh, yeah. Come on, mate. I'm 4 and 5, which is okay, I guess, but it should be better. Some darks. Let's see if we can capture C. Oh no, this is A. Do I even grammar? Do I even alphabet? Come on, we can get this guy. I'm going to try and do something really cool. Come on, jump up on me, mate. Jump up on me. I'm so bored. I'm really bored. Let's get some kills. Maybe get some thrills. Okay, I died. Why the hell am I seeing? I'm gonna just stop. I'm gonna just stop. I swear, this place looks like so... Oh, come on! Yes, sir. Alright guys, we're back in another lobby. Well, we're into the next half. Hopefully we do better in this. And let's do this. Adam. Oh my god. Oh. There's gonna be a guy here and I'm just gonna... Whoa. No way. Not going there. Massive turret. I bet you I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna get shot. Oh. Let's capture B. Hopefully we can do something well. Come on. Yes, capture kill. Woohoo. I really hope that turret doesn't kill me. Because if it does, we're in trouble, guys. We're in big trouble. Oh, come on. Yes, I'm safe. Never mind. Alright, so I put my brightness up. I didn't realize it was that dark. But, yeah. Where is everybody? Where is everybody going? Oh, they're all around here, aren't they? Oh, good. Get him. No, he's gonna kill me now, isn't he? Yep. But can't you like me? Can't hit the folks like me? Can't shoot people and die like me? Because I'm about RC? Yes, I am. Did the turret kill me? The turret must have killed me. That's bull. Alright guys, it's gonna have to be it for this episode. If you did enjoy it, please do slap a like and subscribe. Sorry about the timing of this video. I know it's pretty short. I'll try and make them longer. Anyway guys, see you next time.